guys, I'm back with the gel polish mani. So Madam Glam was kind enough to send me over a PR package for their gel polish. So thank you, Madam Glam, for sending me these products to feature on my channel. And so I am opening the box up, and guys, excuse me for my raggedy voice. There may be a few videos with my voice raggedy because again, I'm recovering from being sick. Excuse me. So this PR package came with Madam Glam's USB lamp. It is a 6-watt lamp if I'm not mistaken, and again you have a 45-second and a 60-second cure for the lamp. It worked perfect with the gel polishes, and so I'm just opening that up. Again, remember, use tools, not your nails, to open up boxes. So again, it is plugged into a USB outlet. I do have a power outlet that has a USB, has I think 4 or 5 USB slots in there, and so it works perfect. I couldn't get the legs open initially, but I finally got those open. I know I was tearing stuff up, so I'll open that later. And so also in the box, it came with a user manual, standard manual, and then there is an influencer community insert in there as well. These polishes are vegan, 21 free, cruelty free, and then Madam Glam's gel polishes are also HEMA free as well. And so there's application instructions on the back. And there's a lot of shades, and so the colors that Madam Glam allowed me to pick out 3 colors, and so this PR package came with the no wipe top coat, and it is their polishes are a 30-second cure in an LED lamp. It came with top coat, base coat, and I picked out 3 polishes. So I knew I would get this package sometime in October, so I picked out colors that would be good for October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and also spooky season. This is a nice red Miss Dorothy. Oh, that was beautiful. I do have a mani I want to do with those, with some decals. This color is a bit of that perfect pink. I told y'all pink is the color this season, so that is what I like to call part of Barbie core pink. And then this is a really light pink. No, that's not pink, that's white Canadian winter. So it's not a vibrant white, it's more so of a soft white. And so I did swatch these colors on swatch sticks, 2 thin coats. I did use Madam Glam's no wipe top coat. Again, nice pink, nice pinks, nice colors, vibrant, nicely pigmented as well. And so I'm just getting into the instructions here per the card. Now Madam Glam was kind enough to provide me with a discount code to share with you guys, and I will have that in the description box below. That code is good for 30% off your purchase. Now Madam Glam does have a VIP program that you pay for every month, and that you get your polishes at a discounted rate. However, if you don't want to sign up for the monthly VIP program, you can use my discount code. The polishes did apply nice, no issues whatsoever, and so I'm going in and applying base coat to all my nails, and I'm going to cure in the lamp. Now with that particular lamp, you can only cure your 4 nails, and then you have to do your thumb separately, and I did not have any issues with that at all. So after I cured, again, no issues with the lamp, I'm going in with a bit of that, which is a nice pink. I thought it was so pretty, so I'm using that color and Canadian winter. These polishes went on well, they went on smooth, nice pigmentation, they didn't run all over the place. You want to apply this in thin coats on the nail, and I know when y'all doing my gel polish, y'all probably like, what is she doing? I'm just trying to get a smooth application. I am a DIYer of my nails. I am not a nail technician, but I am a nurse who loves to do my nails at home. And so look at that, that's nice. Look how smooth that is. No complaints at all. Okay, Madam Glam, I see you. Now, have I ever tried Madam Glam products? Now, I did end up buying their pudding gels that they came out with, I believe, over the summer, but I have not used them yet. And so I think I bought like a purple and did I get a white and a black? I can't remember, but I haven't used them. Like I told you guys, I have colors, items that I have not used. So when they reached out to me, I was so excited to try out their polishes in a bottle. And so again, nice pigmentation, nice even coverage. They didn't run all over the place. I have no complaints whatsoever. And look how pretty that pink is. And so again, with whites, now the white was a little bit streaky, but I think with the second coat it brought it together, and I wasn't too worried about it because I knew with the nails that had the Canadian winter on it, I was going to go in and apply some decals. So before curing, make sure you use a nail brush and alcohol to remove any excess polish from your skin before curing. And so these are all 5 nails done and cured. I'm going in and applying a second coat. Again, no problems at all with the second coat as well. Once that second coat went on, I cured the 4 nails, and then I did my thumb separately in the lamp. Again, nice colors, nice pigmentation. They went on smooth. I have no complaints whatsoever. So after I applied the second coat and cured my nails, I'm going to go in with some breast cancer awareness decals that I got from Poshy Nail Designs. I've had this set, I think this is my 3rd year using this set, and I'm going to cut out some decals. Now initially I wanted the little bird that's carrying the ribbon, and I believe the ribbons, and y'all, let me tell y'all what I did. I cut these decals out and I sprayed my doggone decals with alcohol, and I was wondering why I wasn't releasing from the paper. And so, I cut these 2 decals out and I'm spraying them. But y'all, look at it. That's alcohol. I was like, Lord, and I'm sitting up here waiting. And I was like, what's wrong with these? Look how shiny it is. Because it's doggone alcohol. And there was no fixing it because I wiped it off and sprayed it with water, still wouldn't release. And so for the nails with the decals, I am going to go in and apply Madam Glam's base coat and cure for 30 seconds. And so I cut out 2 other decals from that set, sprayed them with water this time, gave it a few minutes, and then I wiped off excess water using my stamper. I'm placing one on my thumbnail and one on my ring finger. And so for any, you want to smooth the decal out, and then on the ring finger, any decal that's hanging off the nail or on the sidewalls, I'm just going in with the nail brush and acetone and cleaning that off. So after I cleaned up the decal, I went in and applied base coat to the nails with the decals, and then I'm going in and apply Madam Glam's no wipe top coat, and I'm going to cure nice shiny top coat. can clearly see, I overloaded my brush with the top coat, but it didn't run. I was able to do several nails before dipping my brush back into the bottle. Like, I think I got 3 nails top coated with top coat, which I was pleasantly surprised. I did go in with some jewelry gel off camera, and this is Barbie Mix from Scatter Crystals. The decals, I mean not decals, Rhinestones has an assorted mix of different pinks and light pink pearls, perfect for this set. So I applied that to my thumbnail just to give a little zhuzh, something extra. Y'all know I like extra nails. And so once your nails have cooled off from curing, you want to apply your favorite cuticle oil and massage that in. So guys, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel because it is free and it will help my channel. And so you guys will definitely have to let me know what you think. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week.